Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from Amazon, Walmart and Deloitte. This is a freshers hiring where final year candidates are also eligible. So the candidates who are passing out in 2023, 22 or 21 batch can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring is from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for testing associate for Chennai location. So talking about the basic qualification, then you should be having your BE, BTech, MSc or MCA degree from any specialization with a good communication and analytical skills. And as they are hiring for the testing role, then you should be having basic knowledge related to testing domain. Second hiring is also from Amazon. So they are hiring for quality assurance associate for Hyderabad location. So by clicking on the view job description, you can able to see the details about the jobs. So any graduate or final year candidates, those who are awaiting for their results, can apply for this job. Only you should be having basic fundamentals knowledge in Microsoft system like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint with a written and spoken English language skills. So this is a work from office job where the location will be Hyderabad. Third hiring is from Walmart. Walmart is hiring for technology services engineer for their SAP domain. So they are hiring for the Chennai location. Where talking about the eligibility, then you should be having BE, BTech or graduation from any discipline with experience from 0 to 1 years. And as they are hiring for their SAP domain, then you should be having the basic understanding related to SAP concepts with a strong problem solving and reasoning skills. Fourth hiring is from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for their off-campus for analyst role. They are hiring for the Hyderabad location where the educational qualification will be BE, BTech or MCA degree from any specialization with a 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout your graduation. Talking about the roles, then under analyst, they are hiring for the 3 multiple roles. So after your onboarding, you can be assigned to any of the roles where the first role is for development associate where you will be the part of the development team. Second role offered is for business solution analyst for BA or QA. So you will be part of the quality assurance team. And the third role is offered for system analyst where you will be part of the IT infrastructure, IT security team. So you can see more details about the particular job roles. Fifth hiring and the last hiring for this video is also from Deloitte. So Deloitte is hiring for UI engineer or Flutter engineer role. So talking about the education qualification, then you should be having your BE, BTech, MCA or MSc degree from any specialization or branches with 1 to 2 years of experience in Flutter domain. So as they are hiring for the Flutter engineer, then you should be having the basic fundamentals knowledge in Flutter domain. And apart from the knowledge of Flutter, you should be also having the knowledge in Android and iOS app development using Kotlin or Swift or any other latest frameworks. So this job is open for Hyderabad, Bangalore and Gurgaon job location. So these were the 4 hiring opportunities. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all these jobs. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs from PwC, Ground Truth, Inventrix, Nokia, where they are hiring for both full-time jobs and internship opportunity. So you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.